Everyone loves to see someone else getting in the face with a snowball. It's even funnier if it's a nun. But let's be honest, how much did it actually hurt this nun to get it in the face with a snowball? If we think about momentum, we can probably consider how much it did hurt her, because momentum is a measure of how difficult it is to stop something. So if we think about momentum, we can think about how difficult was it for that nun's face to stop the snowball that this other nun threw at her. We can calculate that using the calculation of a moving object is equal to the mass of the object, and we measure that in kilograms, times by the velocity of the object, and we measure that in meters per second. Now, one thing just to remind ourselves here, velocity is what we call a vector. It's got an amount and it's got a direction, so it's the velocity towards the nun's face. So what's the mass of a snowball? I don't know off the top of my head, but let's just say, for example, it's 100 grams. So 100 grams is equal to 0.1 kilograms. Right, if we look at that picture of the nun's probably stood about 2 meters away from the nun who gets it in the face, and it probably took about a second for the snowball to smack her in the chops. So the velocity of the snowball was probably about 2 meters per second. So we can work out the momentum of the object. 0.1 times 2 is equal to 0.2. But 0.2 what? Well, think about it. Think about the units. The units we've got are kilograms. We're multiplying kilograms by meters per second. So the units we get for that 0.2 amount are kilogram meters per second. That's the unit of momentum. So momentum for any moving object can be calculated if you know the mass of the object in kilograms and the velocity of the object in meters per second. The nun was probably fine.